Hey people, it's Wednesday and I'm going to South stores. I need to get a blender. I have been wanting this for some time now and that's what I'm going to. Guys, I just got a new blender. I'm so excited. And here is it. It's Father Professional Blender. We decided to go to Sahad. At least that's the place I know I can easily walk in and at least see what I want. So my friend is using this product and it has been good. So guys, can you see this? I love it. I love it. Here is it. This is the power on and power off. This is the pulse, guys. And this is the speed control, low, high. And here is the start control. That's what it looks like. It's a 2-liter cup. And this is like the, let's see. This is the cover. This is what the underplate looks like. This is the way in which you can screw this on the motor. This is closed and this is open. This is, take this out and when you're grinding, this helps you to push in what you're grinding. So guys, I love this. I don't know if it's just me. There's this thing with getting new stuffs. It just makes you so happy, so relaxed. You know what I'm talking about. You see this blender? I am going to enjoy it in Jesus' name. It will not spoil like others in Jesus' name. And the price is fair enough. I got this blender for 52,000 naira. 52,000 naira. So it's fair enough. I just pray it serves its purpose. So guys, this is it for this. See you guys again. Hey guys, how are y'all doing? So today we are going to get a microwave. So this is how I am looking. The weather is cold. The weather is cold, so I'm going like this. So guys, let's go. This is the microwave I got. This is Akai microwave. It's 25 liters and 800 watts, 5 power level, multi-cooking, grill, glass turnable, and 60-minute timer. So this is what I got from. This is different from the previous one I had. I was using LG 25 liter, but I had a problem with this control. Let's unbox this together, guys. So this is it. Here's the back. This is the inside. It came with this stand. It came with this stand. This is the manual and other manuals. This is a glass turnable. This is a glass turnable. This is what it looks like. And here. So let's couple it together, guys. These are the control buttons. This is the micro power button, grill, combi, and these are the other buttons. This is the reason why I chose this one. The previous one I used was a censored palette. I'll show you what it looks like, and it got spelled easily. That's the reason why I decided to get this type of microwave this time around. So let me show you guys the previous one. And yes, this is all about our unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I made this over myself. My kids love this so much, so I prefer to do it myself to be on the safer side, actually. But this is my first meal for the day, and this is already past 12. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.